Are you looking for a community with a great town square, great food, community events, and entertainment options, especially for the littles? Roanoke, Texas may be for you. Hi, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and we help you, our team helps you narrow down where to live. Now, this is my husband, Brandon Pollard, and I'm including him on the videos because he has a lot to offer and much insight that I don't even think about, right?
Yeah, I've lived close to Roanoke for almost 40 years. It's a great place. If you are thinking about raising a young family, maybe you have a young family, this is a wonderful place to really just grow with the town.
Yeah, absolutely. So in this video, we are going to talk about the lifestyle of Roanoke, the schools of Roanoke, and what you can get for your money, the housing of Roanoke. So first off, Roanoke, Texas has a population of about 9,000 people, which makes it a smaller town. Can you believe it only has 9,000 people living there?
Yeah, so a lot of people from outside of the cities go there for their food.
Food, yes.
They are known for great food. They have some great barbecue places.
The best barbecue.
They have great steak and fish.
And Babes.
Oh yeah, Babe's Chicken.
Was that the original Babes? Isn't that where the original Babes was?
I don't know.
I'm thinking that, but I'll cross-reference my notes for you. So Roanoke it's such a cute downtown area. It's not an old city downtown area. It's actually brand new, but has a feel, like the way they built it has old town charm, but it's actually a brand new city.
Yeah, I remember driving the 80s down there and there was nothing there, and now it's all new and it looks great, and it's just rich with community.
I bet there was something there back then.
Well, there was a donut store that I stopped at.
No, I was gonna say cows. I was gonna say cows. So don't tell them how old you are. We pretend we're in our 20s still, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
1980s, that's when I was born.
Okay, let's talk about the lifestyle of Roanoke. So you have a place for community events, the downtown area. You have eateries galore. We had already talked about the eateries. So what else do they have for activities in Roanoke?
So if you have young kids, we took our kids to Hawaiian Falls, which is got the water slides, and it's a great lazy river. Great place.
They love it.
Great place to hang out as a family. They've got DFW Adventure Park. They've got places where you can shoot bow and arrows and just
archery.
Paintball, and DFW Adventure Park's there. So lots of fun things, activities to do with kids, and for kids that are older as well.
Big kids.
Big kids.
So they also have many sports, both for kids as well as adults. Where did you go?
I went to the Indoor Roanoke Recreation Center.
To play?
To play basketball. They have great pickup basketball there. They have a great facility to work out. Lots of people play racquetball and different things.
Don't they have volleyball there too, indoor, or is that somewhere else?
They do have leagues there, so you can play there. It's just a great place to do community, to do. If you're an adult, you can have get in leagues. It's good. It's really fun.
It's really good. So Roanoke, I love Roanoke because it's a new town. It has beautiful communities. It feels a little more new than some of the surrounding Fort Worth towns.
Yeah, great new facilities, large facilities that have great amenities.
Yeah, great amenities. So it's a good family. I like what you said earlier. To raise a family there, it's like a great environment.
Yeah.
So let's talk about schools next in Roanoke. So the schools in Roanoke are in Northwest ISD. They are great schools. And one thing that I like to share about Northwest ISD, it is in the top 15% of schools in the entire state of Texas. But I don't know if you knew this, but Northwest ISD is the highly sought after school district for teachers to work at.
I didn't know that.
So I hear from friends all the time, hey, I'll say which school district is the best, and all the teachers say Northwest ISD because they pay really well and they treat their teachers well. Hey, your mom worked at Northwest ISD.
She did. Yeah, that is true.
You forgot.
A long time ago.
Anyway, just
Sorry, Mom.
So Northwest ISD is great. If teachers are happy, students are happy. That's what I equate that with.
Yeah.
And so Northwest schools are great.
Also, Roanoke's known for its baseball fields. They have great baseball fields. We actually traveled to in select baseball to their great baseball facility. So if you're raising kids and they're in baseball, I'm just letting you know, it's new facilities. It looks great. Their fields are well maintained, and so they look good. That's
a good point. That's why I have him on, because I forget about those things. Okay, so now let's talk about the housing of Roanoke. So one of my favorite new home communities is Fairview Ranch. Now let me tell you this. The thing about Fairview is I think it was 2019, HGTV did a dream home giveaway, and it was in this community in Roanoke, which tells you if Roanoke is on the radar of HGTV, it's a pretty dang good city. I know that it is ranked in the top 10 cities to live in the entire U.S. at least once in this last 10 years.
Yeah, it's a wonderful place.
So Roanoke is a very, I would say it's like a middle class type city, meaning there's not a lot of cheap homes, but there's not a lot of multi-million-dollar homes either. So the average price range for Roanoke, I would say, is around $400,000 on up to about $1.5 million, with the bulk of the homes in Roanoke are landing at about that $600,000-$700,000, maybe $500,000 to $800,000 price bracket. That's the majority of homes in Roanoke. Roanoke does have all the conveniences that you need. You have your grocery stores, your Home Depot. There are so many things at your fingertips right in Roanoke. Down the street is, in the entertainment section, is the Texas Motor Speedway.
Yeah, it's just right down the road. It's actually really well known around the world for their races. So if you're a race fan, you're really close.
When are you going to take me to the races?
It may be a while.
I only want the experience once, but I know that there are many fans out there, NASCAR fans, but I would really like that experience once.
I don't know. It's just left turn, left turn, left turn. There's no defense. If they had defense, then we'd watch.
Okay. Also in Roanoke, I don't think it's actually in Roanoke. It's actually in Fort Worth, but it's down the street from Roanoke is the Tanger Outlets. And this is a new Tanger outlet, so it's not grubby. It's very nice, great outlet shopping. One of my favorite to go shopping at, actually.
Yeah, we take our kids there. It's awesome. Mm-hmm. So I go back to the original point of, even though it's middle class, it has room to grow. It's so much room to grow out there.
Yes, I would anticipate we are going to start seeing some luxury homes being built in Roanoke because the area is wonderful. It's surrounded by great communities. So I would anticipate that they're going to start building some $1 million homes in Roanoke. So Dana, tell me the next step. Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether you are a year out or even need to move this month, the next step is to fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below. In the Dream Home Questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me of what you want in a dream home and in a community. And after you share your favorite snack, you will click the submit button and an email will be sent to you with a link to book a consultation call with me via Zoom. We will get to meet online and you can ask me anything you want about Texas. Then we will narrow down some great areas for you. And when you're ready, I have a team to help you find the perfect home for your family. So go ahead, don't be shy. The link is below in the description. And while you're at it, follow me on Instagram and you can get to know me a little more in a more personal way. I look forward to meeting you.